Well folks, at Franz Josef, and having a look at the proposed rock works down here. Regional Council's been down having meetings with affected parties, and the meetings have gone really well. Now, I never come down here without having a look at the D11, and we're just so lucky that it's still here. I'd say Jeff Havel's been plating the blade. Now, what a great bit of machinery this is. No question in my mind that a machine of this size should be permanently here in Franz. Now that roller in front of us there is the same height as me. That thing there is quite a bit higher. And this is a big boy's ripper. Look at that. Oh, she's a long way up there. Well folks, there's $24 million worth of work to be done down here. Probably 18 of that will be in the river and in rock work. 230,000 tonnes of rock to be placed. Hundreds of thousands of metres of gravel to be shifted. And I can tell you from personal experience, having watched this thing in action, this is exactly the size machine we need to shift gravels around the Waiho. And normally we've got Jeff Havel up there, way up the top, sitting down driving it. And he'll be like everyone else, they're waiting at the moment for the process to be completed. Contracts to be allocated and work to start. There we go folks. Now you know I'm keen on bulldozers and diggers and stuff. I just love coming down here. And there's the Waiho behaving itself today. But as you know, when she's bank to bank and in a grumpy mood, a very dangerous river. Now folks, I'll keep moving. Look at that rock in the river there. Oh, I can just see it. We'll catch you later.